Hi, my name is Todd Van Herwine and I'm with Bentley Tampa Bay and I'm the Bentley brand manager. This is the new 2020 Bentley Continental GT convertible. This happens to be the V8 model. This is going to be the first model that they release in the United States before the 12-cylinder comes out. They've done something new with the lighting where they make it look like etched glass, a very unique look in the front headlamps. They've got a lot of detail that goes into the car all the way around. Some of the differences between this car and the previous model, this car's got a much larger front grille, gives it more of a muscular stance. Grille surround has been deleted, so now the hood comes right on down and meets the grille right at the top portion. Side fenders, much larger. They still use their super-forming technique to create the sharp lines and the design of the front fender. And if you look down the side of the car, it does have a longer wheelbase, so it's going to give you a smoother ride. They've got shorter overhangs, so the front tires are pushed more to the front, giving you better handling. The car does have a squattier look because of the rake in the front windshield. Mirrors on the car are much larger, sits high on the belt line of the car, so visibility when you're in the driver's seat, both driver and passenger side, you've got a wide range of view. Big changes in the back of the car. Tail lamps have that etched cut glass look inside the lens, but they've gone and stretched the lighting, so they wanted the rear tail lamps to kind of mimic the tailpipes coming out the back of the car. You have the quad dual exhaust back here. This particular car, the color's called Ice, so it's got a little bit of a blue kind of tone to it. This car also is built with the black line package, so you have all the chrome on the exterior of the car is black, wraps around down to the rocker panel, door handles, window surrounds, and as well as your front grille. 2019 is the 100-year anniversary for Bentley. Celebrating that on every car shows 1919 to 2019. So you see all this diamond quilting on the door panels and on your seats. When you look at these individual diamonds inside the diamond, 750 stitches just in that one diamond. This car has close to 1 million stitches throughout the entire car. On the interior of the car, something new is an interior detail spec called the Côte de Genevieve. It's an aluminum, hand-polished, machine-finished center console panel. It just gives the interior of the car a little bit of a pop. Bang & Olufsen, as you well know, makes a fantastic sound system. Bentley's upgraded sound system is named. That's an $8,500 option. Bang & Olufsen is about a $6,300 option. This car's got night vision. You know, you're driving at night, especially on a dark road, you can see pedestrians or animals that may jump out in front of you. Top view camera, front and rear cameras, and that's part of the city specification, which includes your blind spot detection as well as self-parallel parking and rear parking. So if you want to back into a spot, you just press the button, the car will do it for you. It's been such a long time that people have been asking for these types of features. The time it takes to stitch this steering wheel is about 14 hours. This particular car, the V8, it's a 4-liter twin-turbo V8. It produces 542 horsepower and 568 pounds of torque. 0 to 60 is documented at 4 seconds. Top speed is 198 miles an hour. Pretty impressive for an 8-cylinder, especially when the car weighs just about 5,000 pounds. Gearbox in this car is an 8-speed dual-clutch ZF transmission. Gear transitions are relatively seamless. You don't know you're switching gears, but you will hear those gear changes, especially if the car's in sport mode. You get a nice little exhaust note coming out of the rear of the car with the top down. It is phenomenal, and we'll experience that in a moment. When the roof is closed, the sound quality inside the car is as if you were driving a coupe. You've got 4 layers of Thinsulate material inside the roof of the car. The display in this car, this is a 10-inch display. This is going to give you everything from your navigation, your phone and phone book, radio functionality, and then also your car features. On the instrument panel in front of me, I have different selections. I can have navigation, I can have my phone set up, I can have the radio set up. I can also have certain car information. When you're in navigation, if you hit this view button on this side, it opens up basically the entire instrument panel for navigation. So you have a full screen in front of you. We're going 25 miles an hour, and we operated this entire roof process within about 14 seconds. It's a full-time all-wheel drive, so it's a 40-60 split as a normal driving car, but in different situations, it'll adjust accordingly.